Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder photo quality. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder photo quality, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the app of Tinder and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data. Then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder and you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.